Brandis Davis, and this is Job of the Week. Today, I've got my friend Gavin here from the Convention and Sports Facilities Department, and he's going to talk to us about a job. Hi, Gavin.
Hello,
Thank you for joining us today.
I'm glad to be here.
Okay, Gavin, so what job are you going to talk to us about today?
I'm going to be talking to y'all about the building maintenance officer position here at the Convention Center, Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center.
Okay, a building maintenance officer position at the Convention Center. Can you tell us a little bit more about this opportunity?
Uh, yeah, it's a really great supervisory position where we work with a team to kind of make sure that all the events kind of go smoothly and make sure that if anything needs to be taken care of, we're on top of it.
Great. So, a building maintenance officer at the convention center, you supervise the team and you help make sure that the events, the spaces, and everything, the facility is ready for the events that y'all host there.
Right, yeah. So there's some BMOs at night and there's some BMOs in the morning, and we just kind of communicate and work with each other, throughout the day to make sure whatever event that comes through, whether it's IPW or San Japan, there's a whole variety of events that come through that we just, take care of.
Okay, great. So, based on what you're saying, there's a team of building maintenance officers that work 24/7 at the convention center, making sure that all the different events that y'all host there can actually happen. And that is what y'all do. You make the events happen throughout the day.
Yes, so going back with the team, we have our other positions, maintenance workers and crew leaders that we oversee to make sure that, the job gets done as far as trash, setting tables, setting chairs. We oversee and make sure that those are all according to our, documents that are provided to us.
Great, great. So, what does the ideal candidate for the building maintenance officer? What do they need?
They need communication skills for sure. There's a lot of people that come through the building, and not just the employees, but guests as well. You have to have the ability to communicate with every type of individual that might walk through. Also, your listening skills, your problem solving skills. Those come up in the job, uh, as well as being able to manage time and manage people. That's something else that really you need in this position.
So, communication skills. Obviously, you're communicating with your team, and the clients that y'all are trying to get the facility set up for. Listening skills are truly, truly important.
Right.
Time management skills, because y'all have deadlines to meet, and a team. And I would imagine this person needs to be a good team leader, supervisor as well, right?
Right, yes. And you have to have a real good temperament as well, working with so many people, being calm and collective and, a difficult situation is very much needed.
Mhm. Oh, and being a problem solver, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you say. Hmm. So, teamwork for our viewers who are new, teamwork is one of the city's core values, and teamwork is written all over this building maintenance officer position.
Right. Yeah. Teamwork, integrity, innovation, professionalism, especially professionalism, uh, needs to be is all a part of the job.
Excellent, excellent. All of the city's core values. Okay. Well, Gavin, is there anything else that you would like to share with our viewers about this specific opportunity at the convention center?
Yeah, I would just like to say that this job is really great. I love what I do every day. Being able to see the different events that come through, you would never imagine to see, the different types of things that people go to a convention for, and to meet all types of people from sometimes even around the world. It's a great experience. It's something that I enjoy every day.
Great, great. Well, you heard it here, folks. I mean, Gavin is a building maintenance officer himself, and he thinks it's an awesome opportunity, and we agree. So, in addition to all the great things that Gavin said about this position, the ideal candidate should also have at least a high school diploma or GED, along with 4 years of experience in building or facilities maintenance, to include at least 2 years of supervisory experience. And you will need a driver's license for this opportunity. And you can find all the details and any substitution ratio that might apply to this opportunity on our full job description. So if you're interested in becoming the next building maintenance officer at the convention center for our convention and sports facilities department, then I do encourage you to go onto our website at www.sanantonio.gov/careers to apply. Also, if you like this video, I encourage you to click that thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.